Hello friends, I am Dilip Modak. I am going to read a story for you. The story name is Terry, Yes You Can by Terry W. Foster. Terry never felt good about himself. Terry was always feeling down and felt as if he couldn't do anything right. Terry never told anyone how he felt because he thought they would make fun of him. Terry was always getting into trouble at home, school, and even his community. This made Terry very sad because he knew he would be punished by his mother for his actions. Many of Terry's friends didn't want to play with him because he was always misbehaving. No one knew that all Terry really wanted was a little encouragement to be a better person. Terry was so discouraged, he didn't want to be around anyone. Terry spent a lot of time alone and he would always think about what he wanted to be when he grew up. One day, Terry's mother told him to do his chores. Terry decided to play around with the mop and spilled a whole bucket of water onto the floor. Terry's mother was so angry because of Terry's actions and sent him to his room. I can't do anything right, Terry said to himself in an angry voice. Terry was discouraged once again. Things changed for Terry at school one day. Terry's teacher, Mrs. Brown, asked each of her students what they wanted to be when they grew up. Mrs. Brown asked each student to stand up and share their dreams. One by one, the students stood up and began sharing their dreams. When it was Terry's turn, he put his head down on his desk and didn't say a word. It's okay, Terry, said Mrs. Brown. Share your dreams with the class. Mrs. Brown was a very loving and caring teacher. However, she did not like when her students doubted themselves. Mrs. Brown always told her students that if they work hard and have faith in themselves, they could accomplish great things in life.